Hey guys, welcome to my channel Modern Tech. Today I am going to do the unboxing of Hoffen branded digital weighing scale. So let's see. So here is the package guys. तो चलिए देखते हैं अंदर हमें क्या मिलता है. मैंने ये पैकेज पहले से ही खोल रखा है क्योंकि मुझे देखना था क्या है. तो चलिए देखते हैं अंदर कैसे पैकेज. सो दोस्तों ये रहा Hoffen इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल स्केल. ये रहा मेरा बिल. सो मैं एक साइड में रख देता हूँ. तो चलिए बॉक्स खोलते हैं, स्केल को देखते हैं. So guys, I have opened the box. So let's take out the scale from the box. Here is the scale. So here is the scale inside a thermocol cover. Let's take out from these covers. So guys, here is the scale covered under a polythene wrap. Let's take a look at the paperwork which is given by this brand. So here is the user manual for this electronic digital scale, and here the good thing that this product is made in India. So guys, look inside the user manual. Here is the few specs given for this scale. You get 2 AAA batteries, means pencil cell with this, and instruction manual is on my hand, and 2 here Hoffen branded warranty card. And the main thing is that Hoffen electronic digital scale is only a personal scale. You cannot use this scale to measure any other thing. You can only measure the human weights. So here is this. Let's take a look at the box, what specs given on the box. So here is this. Here is given backlight display, then temperature display, and it is so thin, slim body, or made of glass. I will show you later. And strong tempered glass and wide LCD given on the scale. And here is the division, and at the 4 corners there is 4 sensors, so only we can measure the human weights with this, and max weight we can measure with this is 180 kg. And I have already told you that battery we get this product, and when the battery is low it will show like this, or overload indicator, both are there. And we can also change the unit, in which unit we want the measure. We can select and measure, and there is no button to on this product. You have only to step up on the product and it starts automatically. So here is this. By myself I like the product. Now I will show you the product. So guys, here is the product. Let's take out from the polythene wrap, and it is looking nice. It's made of glass. So here it is. As I already told you that there is no button to start this. I will show you the below part of this. From here you can just change the unit. Here it was written that you can change the unit from here, and here you insert the cell and nothing. Here is also a button to change the unit, and here are a few instructions for weighing on this scale. So let's test the scale. So guys, I am going to test. I am standing on this scale to measure my weight. I have only to stand on this. It automatically starts. You can see that it automatically starts, and it will show my weight. First time it not show the accurate weight, but the second time it show the accurate weight. Wait for the measure comes to 0, then stands again on this, and now it shows the accurate weight. Now it shows the same weight every time. You can see that now it shows the same weight. Only the first time it shows the inaccurate weight, and by the second time it shows. It is common in all weighing machines, and you can see that what things we can see in this LCD display. So here is the temperature, and here is the battery indicator, and here is the weight. And by changing the unit, I will show how to change the unit. Now it's LB, and then ST, and then again kg. So here is this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.